Here is my recent earning from Warrior Plus. My today's earning is $59, yesterday it was $100. Last 7 days was $279 and last 30 days was $1,393. Every single day I got sale. Today, I will show you the strategy to start earning online with AI article and blog writer that are still ranking on Google first page. I will show you everything, just stay connected till the end. Here, you are watching my last 7 days earning. Every day I got clicks from my articles and getting sales without extra effort. I will show my website search result and website visitors that are coming through articles that I wrote with AI tools. Let's see results of my website in Google Search Console in details. Google Search Console refers to search results traffic that coming organically from Google. In last 6 months I got 4 large 88,000 click and got 9 million plus impressions from Google, what have 5.1% average click-through rate and average position on my Google search ranking is 7. What is outstanding is I am used to write article with AI. Now let's see 3 months result. Ranking is better. Still the ranking position is 7. Let's see last 28 days result. It is 7. That means on first page of Google. Let's see visitors analytics from Google Analytics, it's 3,39,000 in last 90 days. And let's check last 30 days visitors analytics. It's 1,06,000 visitors. And maximum traffic is coming from organic search results in Google. Let's start writing an article with AI by selecting an affiliate offer from Warrior Plus. One of top selling product of Warrior Plus is AI Movie Maker. AI Movie Maker can create ultra-realistic 8K cinematic movies, and you can make unlimited movies within every 2 minutes. Let's visit my secret AI article writer tool. You will also find the tool link in description. You will find the dashboard after login. You will just need to sign up with your Google account. Remember, this is not 100% free tool. But you can test it before upgrade to any plan. I will give you a discount code for 25% off. I generally use one-click blog post. This tools make an entire article within 2 to 3 minutes. In title box, I pasted the title I copied from AI Movie Maker product title. You can input whatever you want. And on main keyword box, write your target keyword. I added AI Movie Maker. And on core settings select language. I keep it English. Article size, I am selecting large. This will allow to create 3,600 to 5,000 plus words article. Take a tone of voice, I use informational. As AI model, I keep it as it is. And then point of view is second person and then selecting target country, United States. Then tick into intense mode and give a description of this product named AI Movie Maker in my case. And on Media Hub section, keep AI image yes, number of images 3, image style, photo and image size keeping same. Then YouTube video yes, number of videos 1 and layout options, first images then video. And then SEO section include keywords you want to rank. I am giving AI Movie Maker Review, and AI Movie Space Maker. You give your target keywords you want to rank for. Then on structure section of introductory hook brief, select personal or informational. Then on conclusion section, keep same as it is. Till now, if you have any questions you can always ask me on comment section. I will answer every comment one by one. You can skip next 2 section. On connect to web section, you must select yes, and as source link select link name URL, then search source, real-time search. And then citation, yes. And source data, all time. And keep all other things constant. In the meantime, if you find my video helpful, please give a like and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now come top of the page and then click on Run button at right side will start writing your AI article. That's it, your article will be ready within next 3 to 5 minutes, and you will able to post that article to your website, LinkedIn as Pulse, Medium Post, or wherever you want. This is one way of writing AI article for my website, and I will show another strategy that I use too. This strategy is still ranking on Google as I showed you earlier. So don't be late. Try it today. You will find all necessary links on description. My article generation is complete. Let's check it. This is 3,518 words article. Click on meta tags to find meta title and meta description. Here is my whole article. Let's check it carefully. This article consists everything you need including AI-generated images, H1, H2, keywords, tables, YouTube video, citation, source link, FAQ, etc. 100% SEO-friendly ready-to-post article. You can now copy and post it anywhere. Let's see another example to make you crystal clear that the capacity of this AI. With this you can create unlimited SEO-friendly articles that rank on Google. Now I am selecting another product. You can choose any context or any product, whatever you want for any kind of products and any kind of niches you want. I am doing the same process as before, and stay connected, I will show you another tool. If you don't know how to make a completely free website with free domain and free hosting, you can check my channel. I made few videos that will help you. In this way you can write your AI article without in-depth research and planning, but complete an entire article near about 3 minutes. Let's visit our next AI blog tool. You will find this link in description too. Sign up to start free. This is the dashboard of the tool. This AI have huge collection of AI tools. And actually this is the best AI I found on internet for taking any kind of AI tools benefit. You will find one-click blog post tool. Click on that tool and write your article or blog title on title section. Select language and click create content button will start generating your complete article less than 1 minute. Here's our complete article is ready for further use or in download. It took less than 1 minute. It's truly incredible. Right? Now tell me what tool you like most. I generally use both of these tools. First AI was only for generate articles, but this AI have 250 plus tools that helps to grow your entire online based business. Here is some tools I want to show you. If my video helps you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. This AI tools are truly incredible. I recommend you to try both tools for free. If you found that helps you, then you will upgrade to a plan. And the way I show you, I do this for my website until my website is ranked on Google. I believe this method will not sustain for a long run, so if you really wish to utilize the strategy, just start today, don't do delay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Good luck.